up guys? So we are on our way to FD St. Louis, which is the first round of 2020, and I got Chris Eimer, who's my crew chief, and nobody else is down for this round, so I got Mike Boone, who's willing to help for this weekend. So it's a 3-man crew for this time. I'm sure we can handle it. Let's unload our bitch. So car's out of the rig, and we're just gonna take it to the tech inspection since this is the first round of 2020. She's actually pretty much ready, but Chris needs to do little stuff, and we should be good. Okay. I'm pretty light, yo. Tech's going down. It's all good. Got teched. Alright, so day one, it just started. We're getting ready for the practice session. Exciting! So driver's meeting about to start. It's got the social distancing seated. I got my former spotter slash Falcon Tire manager. Quick toe check. Alright, practice is starting soon. Woo, we're here! Finally, this is the first practice session of 2020, so really exciting. I just want to drive, you know, so it'll be fun. Just ended the first session of the practice. The car is running strong, no issues. But setup wise, I might need to tweak a little bit. This track is very one of a kind, very tight, still having a hard time making a good lap. So, but we got more time and we got more sessions, so should be good. Just letting you know, I'll be good. I hope so. So it was going really good practice wise, but I just felt the power down and found something weird. So I just came back to the pit and Chris just checked. I guess we got only 40 minutes to go, but I don't think he can fix this in 40 minutes, so practice is over. Oh my god, this never happened. You know, we got coded again. It's, you know, it's not a brand new, but pretty new, so not sure why it happens right now, but my practice is done. Might as well, I'm gonna watch other guys practice and try to learn something. So going up to the spotter's tower. It's a good workout actually. How many years have we been using this?
It's been on the track for like 4 years, at least.
Okay, I guess it's about time.
Yeah. Yeah, I think too, they got the turbo hanging off of it too. Probably doesn't help.
Unfortunately, I couldn't get that much practice run, but the car is all fixed now, so it's 100% ready. So tomorrow we have nothing to do. We can watch Pro 2s. I'm sure I can learn something from that, and I'm gonna watch some other videos and just try to do some homework and do as much as I can. This year the practice time is so limited, so from now to the main top 32 we only have 1 hour practice for everybody, so which means I can maybe have like 1 or 2 passes, but should be good enough. Alright, game day. Today is the first round of 2020 Formula D series. Started. Little swaver setup change before we going up for a warm-up run. Unfortunately, didn't get enough practice runs on Thursday, so not much setup we could have done. But I feel like the rear needs to be a little bit stiffer. All good?
All good. Are you good?
It should be good.
Okay. Well, go have fun.
I will.
I can't really tell you much more. There's not much more to tell you.
Right, practice is starting. Let's do it. Just had a first practice run. Something went wrong and the engine didn't rev, so couldn't get a run. Then trying to do the second run, I can already tell the engine wasn't running right, so I had to go back to the pit. Electric issue like fixed, but I lost 2 runs, so it sucks. Oh man, I lost a lot of practice time this round, so it's gonna be rough, but hopefully I can nail my best in the top 32.
And Yoshihara from Japan, and he's going against Tyler Nelson from Mooresville, North Carolina, behind the wheel of his Ford Shelby Super Snake Mustang. All right, here we go. Yoshihara will lead, and Tyler Nelson giving chase. Here we go. Yoshihara, he's going for it. Tyler Nelson in a chase position, an FD rookie. Old school versus new school. There you go, Jay. As Yoshihara into that front clip. You see Tyler Nelson, he barely had any angle there. He's taking a lot of angle out of the car. Whoa, Yoshihara really going offline there on the outside zone. I was taking a look at it, Ryan, from overhead. It looks like, again, really exceeding the edge of what's defined as the track in the outside zone. All right, so back to the action. Here we go, Tyler Nelson, Yoshihara. Tyler Nelson out front, that Shelby Ford Mustang. Nice job by him, as Yoshihara seems to be kicking back here. He can't kick back too much. We saw a pretty aggressive Nelson, and there he goes, moving that front clip. Now Nelson into the outside zone. Oh, Nelson going, now look at that, he gets into the dirt, Ryan. That could be a fatal error there for Tyler Nelson on his lead run. Slide him left for Daijiro Yoshihara, gets the win. Tyler Nelson, welcome to Formula Drift.
So just finished the first battle with Tyler at top 32. It was close battle. Not meaning it was a great battle. My lead was okay, but the last out of zone I dropped 2 tires, which is not good. And my follow was not great. I lost the timing on the initiation and kind of left behind and couldn't really catch up the gap. I just landed in the wrong line and entire track was bad, but Tyler made a bigger mistake going off the outer zone 4 larger than I did, and I think that was the reason why I moved on, but otherwise it could have been one more time or vice versa, so that was not a great run for both of us. And but anyways, next will be more harder battle, I think, so I'm gonna change the car setup and I'm gonna try to keep my head straight.
Top 16 ceremony going down.
Let's send it St. Louis. Now let's introduce you to our top 16 drivers. Just coming off Pikes Peak, your unlimited class winner. Now here he is in St. Louis, ready to turn and burn in the Turn 14 distribution. Falcon Tires, Ineos Oil, Turbocharged LS Subaru BRZ, former champ. It is slide or die, Jiro Yoshihara.
So waiting for the top 16 battle. It's been already started, but my battle will be the last one. And I'm going up against Odie, my Falcon team teammate. It's gonna be a tough one. He's really good. He's been doing great in this weekend too. So, but at least I know how he drives. So I'm gonna just do my best and stay on it. Wish me luck.
Dai Yoshihara, Odie Bakshis, all teal and blue all over the track right now. Clean start. These guys have seen a lot of track time together. Testing, tuning, rip and shredding. Odie Bakshis quickly gets the side of the BRZ, transitioning at the same time. Good sweep. Sweep the leg, Johnny, as Dai Yoshihara dips that back left toe in the dirt and fills all of that outside zone. Clean, straightforward battle there, Ryan. Final driver to join the Great Eight. We're about to find out. Oh man, Dai Yoshihara bringing some of that Pikes Peak nerves of steel here to St. Louis. All the way out to that outside zone 3. Let's see how they handle that final outside zone. We got contact, my friend. In St. Louis, we got a problem. And there it is. Odie gets the win. He is going to that Link ECU Great 8. It is unanimous. Unfortunately, Dai Yoshihara is knocked out.
Oh man, that was a great battle, but Odie beat me again, or I beat myself. You know, he's super fast. I had to go really committed, and I was doing well until the last turn, but I couldn't keep the proximity into the last outer zone 4. So I kind of got a little too rash and charged too much, and then it was a slow down zone, but I kept going and I hit him. So sorry about that, Odie, but we went to Thailand, a few arm damages, so oh well.
Yep. Tomorrow.
So axle is hitting the body. After the finish line, getting into the bank, there's a big gap. So all the arms gonna go high, and then axle hit the body. So they're grinding stuff, and so tomorrow shouldn't be hitting anymore. Nice and easy. That's how you get on a podium, I guess. Oh man!
What's he doing right
You're
there?
still bitching about it?
What is he doing right there? You want some A1 for that T-bone?
Alright, round 2 of Formula Drift 2020. Start over, thin track. Do it. Charlie Reigns right here. Alright, we gotta take it to the top, right?
Yup.
I don't feel in it. It's cool. All by myself.
Oh, finally. I'm the one that's always by myself, and now you get to feel how I feel all the time. What's up with that?
Alright, fair enough.
Dai Yoshihara and Joao Berrion. Here we go. Initiating that first outside zone. Here goes Dai Yoshihara. Let's see, Joao Berrion now into that second outside zone. Good chasing him down here. Dai Yoshihara with that wide. What is going on there? Interesting approach. Don't know. And there's the announcer's curse. Exactly.
Come on, announcer.
We were just here in the competition timeout. Dai's team working so hard. What were they trying to fix?
They were changing the lower control arm on the driver's right front. It actually, due to the impact with Zhao, actually bent the arm. So they got underneath there, swapped it out, and they got it done with 1 minute to spare and heading back to the track.
Kevin, thank you so much. Jared, Ryan, back to you.
Thank you, Lorette. And here we go. Second half of this run, what is to be the final run of the top 32, the NOS Energy Drink Top 32. as Joao throws it in. Yoshihara playing a safe role here. Don't think it's an inactive chase, but just not the right line as Joao goes to that outside zone. Oh, and a correction there by the Sheriff. He straightens out. Oh, so he's stranded out there on the course. Ryan, unfortunate.
OMG. Just got done with the top 32 battle. We moved on, but got little contact when I was leading. Bodies got kind of damaged. We had to fix the front arms to be able to go up second run. But the guys worked super hard and fixed it in like 8 minutes. So that was an issue.
All right, another champion in the mix. He is piloting his turn 14 distribution, Falcon tires, Ineos oil, turbocharged LS Subaru BRZ. It is slide or die Jiro Yoshihara.
So top 16 started, and kind of like the same situation as yesterday. I'm going up against Odie at top 16. It's kind of weird coincidence from yesterday's ladder, very similar. So today I'll have to take it.
Odie versus Die, ODI, DAI. Here we go. Who's going to WIN? As you can see, Odie Bakshi's in that first outer zone, transitioning into the second. There goes, oh, look at Dai Yoshihara. Great, oh, he falls back just a little bit. Odie Bakshi's got third yesterday. Can he get on the podium once again? Transitioning, oh, Dai Yoshihara with that flip. Oh, man, you can see him. I love looking down here. I can see Dai Yoshihara throw it in, and then, whoa, it came unwound. Unbelievable driving there. Both these guys housing 1,000 horsepower, 2,000 horsepower total on the track. Plus, as Dai Yoshihara initiates, gets in that first outer zone, transitions into the second outer zone. And look at that, Odie, tit for tat, bringing into that front clip. Odie actually taking it home for lunch. And then Dai Yoshihara in the third. Remember, Dai has that big mistake here. Odie Bakshi's comes on into that last flipping zone. Wow, things got interesting there. That was a little pucker effect on that last one. And Odie gets the vote from, there you go, from Chris, from Ryan Lontaine, and now Brian.
Again, I lost against Odie at top 16. Exactly the same time, same place as yesterday. So this time I was following the first run, and I was trying to go, as close as I can, but I felt something wrong with the front end. I was still keep holding it. At the very last turn, I throw the car. The wheel got stuck and couldn't unwind, and I basically kind of straightening out. That was like a big deduction right there. And then I called 5 minutes and tried to find out what's going on, but not clearly, we couldn't find anything wrong, but for sure it's something from the damage from the top 32 battle. I got hit, and everything feels straight and feels good just driving on not racing speed, but that was the first time I put the car onto the truck, then finally find something wrong, but just couldn't find out right now. But we're gonna take the car back to the shop, and we'll find something. I think something wrong with the rack or something. Anyways, super bummer. God damn, Audi beat me twice. Okay, all tied it up. See you back in home. I'm gonna take care of you when I get back.